Hello and welcome ladies and gentlemen to today's episode of the Emma Show. I'm Emma and I'm delighted to walk you through this show. I'm thrilled to have our permanent guest with us today. Please welcome Luai with me.
Hi, Emma. Thank you for that welcome. It's an honor to be here at your show.
I always wanted to learn a new language, but it was really difficult for me to choose. After a long time I decided on Arabic because I think it's beautiful. That's why I need your help with it.
Yes, with pleasure. But I have a question, if I may. How long did it take you to make this decision?
2 days.
Oh,
Thank you very much and let's go. Let's start with the basics of the language. I want to learn the language in simple sentences. How do I introduce myself, etc.? Do you understand what I aim to do?
yes, I see.
I have prepared the usual self-introduction questions and also my own answers in English, and I would like you to teach me in Arabic.
That sounds good.
So what's your name?
My name is Luay.
No, I asked the question
Oh.
in German and you in
Oh,
Arabic.
okay, it's all right.
So what's your name?
Masmuka or Masmuki.
And what's the difference?
Masmuka for masculine and masmuki for feminine. If I ask a man, for example, I would say masmuka.
Okay, AM, where are you from?
من أين أنت for masculine and من أين أنت for feminine.
Masculine and feminine again?
Yes, in Arabic there is no neutral. The pronunciation becomes either masculine or feminine.
But in English you use, for example, you for so many cases whether it is intended for a man or a woman.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, where do you live?
I live
No,
in...
you should only ask the question in Arabic.
That's right, sorry. أين تقطن for masculine and أين تقطنين for feminine.
Ahea, how old are you?
كم عمرك for masculine and كم عمرك for feminine.
What is your occupation?
ما مهنتك or ما هي مهنتك for masculine and ما مهنتك or ما هي مهنتك for feminine.
What is your mother tongue?
ما هي لغتك الأم for masculine and ما هي لغتك الأم for feminine.
Wow, interesting. What are your hobbies?
ما هواياتك for masculine, it's plural. And ما هي هواياتك for feminine.
Okay, now let's play it a different way. I ask you the questions and you answer no.
Let's do it.
Masmuka,
اسمي لؤي
Maena enta
من سوريا.
means
من سوريا means from Syria.
aha, ena taktunu,
أنا أقطن في ألمانيا.
Almania,
Yes, means Germany.
oh yeah. Kamamruka,
عمري 26 عاما.
so,
26 years old.
wow.
Did you think that I looked younger or older?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Okay.
Please say it again.
عمري 26 عاما.
Okay, Mahaya Minatuka
أنا طالب في الجامعة.
means
I'm a student at the university.
beautiful. Mahaya Lugatuka alum.
العربية.
So Arabic, I assume, no?
Yup.
Mahia Hivayatuka?
I would say المطالعة والتصوير.
About dancing and smoking?
What? No, I meant reading. المطالعة means reading and التصوير means taking pictures.
What?
I like books and I like to read books and articles and take photos what I find interesting or special things.
Okay, now let's play it the other way around. You ask and I'll answer.
Good idea. But can you do it
Yes, I wrote down the questions and answers.
with Latin letters?
Yes, so are you ready?
It's easier for you to write Arabic with Latin letters, but that's bad in the long run. It's not the way to learn Arabic.
Okay,
Okay. ما اسمك؟
اسمي Emma.
من أين أنت؟
أنا من America.
You mean أمريكا. Beautiful. أين تقطنين؟
أنا أقطن في أمريكا.
Very good. كم عمرك؟
How do you say 12?
12.
Ah, wait a minute. Okay, عمري 12 ماما.
Great. ما مهنتك؟
How do you say school?
مدرسة.
Okay, أنا طالبان في مدرسة.
Two errors there. First, you should say طالبة, not طالب, because of feminine. And
Masculine and feminine again.
yes, as I said, always think about it while you are speaking. I wanted also to say the second thing was madrasa. It should be with L. The school. I am in the school. Then you should put L with madrasa.
Okay, so أنا طالبة في المدرسة.
Good. Not 100% correct, but good as a start. So, ما هي لغتك الأم?
English?
You mean الإنجليزية.
Yes,
Good.
الإنجليزية.
Last question. ما هي هواياتك?
المطالعة التصوير.
Really?
Not really, I just said your answer, but I like to read.
Nice.
It's okay, we have now come to the end of today's show, and I would first like to thank our guest Luai who was with us today. We hope you enjoyed the show, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.
Yes. Thank you and see you next time.